Let's predict microwave links with 60% Fresnel zone clearance for these sets. Go to sidebar, navigate to settings tab and set Fresnel zone clearance to 60%. Now navigate to toolbox tab and click on link tools to open predict link options. Select your sites and press run to predict the microwave links. A link report is generated with summary of site heights adjusted to meet the required Fresnel zone clearance and link details.